Are you running a business online and you post a sale and crickets? Now let's flip that. Same scenario, you make a post about a sale and people are beating down your door to get it. What gives? If you find yourself in position number one, no one taking you up on it, you're making mistakes. Today, I'm gonna go over key mistakes that are made in sales and promos and how to fix them.
The Parisi Pack.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Parisi, and I love helping busy moms in network marketing grow their influence and their profits using social media strategies that work. I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack. If you like what you're hearing, make sure to subscribe and then hit that bell to get notified when new videos are released. Now let's dive into today's material. Over the course of 2.5 years in my network marketing company, my personal monthly average in sales was $4,500. But during that time, I only ran 4 sales. And in the last 8 weeks, I've had 10 people join me in business, but no one joined during a promotion. What's the catch? How does this work? How can you have high sales and also grow your team, but without doing promotions every other day? Chances are, if you're not having the success in your business, you're making one of these key mistakes. What's mistake number 1? You're running too many sales. Ouch, friend, you are devaluing your brand by running so many sales. And this is usually the result of 2 different beliefs. Belief number 1 is that you honestly lack belief in your product or your opportunity. You don't think that it's worth what it's worth. In my network marketing company, I firmly believe that the product and the opportunity is worth what I pay for it. But do you? When you discount your products for a long period of time, basically what you're saying is, oh, that's not worth it. I don't think that price should be on that product, or that price should be on the opportunity to get started. Don't devalue a product and put it on sale when next month you have a customer that was going to purchase it at full price. There's a reason why prices are listed and companies do their market research. Remember the human element of your business. You are worth it and your product is worth it. And on that note, if you need a branding heart check to say, hey, like my brand is worth this, my products are worth this, I want you to check out the video, How to Brand Yourself in Network Marketing. Fix your belief in your product and in yourself, and it will make the world of a difference. The second reason why people run so many sales and promotions is less of a heart issue, but more of a lack in plan. You just don't have a plan for your business. You set goals, but then you don't know how to reach them. Are you trying to hit that month-end goal? Like there's only 3 days left. What do? Oh man, it's a holiday, shoot. Should I put up a promo post and be like, hey, my pricing on all products today? But then no one buys. Why are you doing this? Most people can tell when you run a promotion with no plan. It's like, oh, she's slapping something up on social media again. It completely devalues it, and everyone's like, well, I can get it on a sale next week. Why buy today? Oh, I'll just wait till you're running your next sale. Are you getting a message saying, oh, I don't need to buy it today. I'll just wait till the next time you have a sale? If you're getting those messages, friend, you are running too many promotions and sales, and that is mistake number 1. How do you fix it? We already talked about changing your belief in yourself and in your product. So work on that. The next step though is more simple. It's just sitting down and creating a basic promotion calendar. Look at your year first, big picture, look at your year and be like, okay, well, typically like people do big sales. Oh, Black Friday, we'll write that down. And then when else throughout the year would it be beneficial to have a sale? Typically, the J months are slower in business. So maybe you do a Christmas in July sale. That's, again, well placed out from the Black Friday sale. So look at the year and then add in a few times throughout the year that it might be beneficial, and then plan it and then follow through on your plan. It doesn't mean that you can't do extra special things for your customers at different times. One month, you could do a giveaway so anyone who orders gets entered to win something. There's lots of ways to add value and fun and honor your customers and their loyalty aside from just doing sales and promotions. So plan those in and honor your customers that way instead of just adding a discount on to something that honestly is worth the full price. Moving on to mistake number 2. Why aren't people beating down your door for your sales and promotions? You've created a culture dependent on sales. People are only going to buy from you because it's on sale. You're now deep in the hole and you need to start digging yourself out. Heaven forbid you post another sale, so stop it. No more promotions. How do you fix this? We've already talked about creating your sales plan, honoring your customer loyalty in different ways. The next thing I would do is on your social media platforms, really start practicing attraction marketing. Attraction marketing is where you add value, you're depositing into your network, you're not taking away from it. A sales or promotion post is taking a withdrawal from your network, and instead you need to really start depositing into your network. And you can do that with value-driven posts. Material on social media that educates, entertains, and inspires with no strings attached. So they can take that information that you're teaching them and they can use it to purchase maybe your product or your competitor's product. That's how attraction marketing works. It makes you the subject matter expert, and now in turn, people view you as the authority and the go-to source for information, and that creates trust, and it really is going to set you apart from your competitors. And so then people naturally buy from people they know, like, and trust. Solve the pains and problems of your target market. Less hype, more authenticity, more value. Moving on to mistake number 3 that people make in their promotions and sales. You are simply too accommodating. This is on sale. Well, everyone can get it. And oh, this deadline was there, but now we've passed it, but you want to make a sale, and so you're going to give it out again. If everyone can get it, you might as well start just throwing money to the crowd. It's on sale, Oprah. Sale, 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 sale. Friend, no, you cannot be so accommodating in your sales and promotions. It's not a fair world. Not everyone is going to get it. I see all the time reps and distributors and their company being, oh, for a limited time, you can get my pricing on this. No, don't give away your specific price. You paid money to start your business. Guess what? If people want the pricing that you get for your product, they can join the company too. That's an option. Instead of being so accommodating, what's the fix for this? Your sales and promotions need 2 things. What are they? 1, urgency, and 2, scarcity. Let's go over them. Urgency is the idea that, hey, this is here only for a limited time. So if you want it, you need to text me now. It's an immediate knee-jerk response. It's urgent. Scarcity is the idea that there's only so many available. They need to act fast because the next person behind them might get it before they do. When you pair urgency and scarcity together, it's powerful because people know that there's only so many of these available, and B, they're only available for so long. So if I don't act now, someone else might beat me to it, or the time may pass where it's no longer an option for me to get this pricing. And oftentimes I see only one of these being practiced on social media when someone's running a sale or promotion. But instead, I want you to implement both of them. Let me give you a real life example of this. In my marketing business, the Parisi Pack, I do a 5-day challenge. It's a free challenge and it's called Create Stories That Sell. In this challenge, I'm teaching people how to talk about their product and their opportunity from an attraction marketing standpoint. And I go over all this material that's helpful. And at the end of the challenge, then, guess what? I run a promotion. It's 3 days long, so it's urgent. You gotta act now if you want it. And then there's a scarcity component because only so many people, in fact, only the first 100 people in my private coaching community are going to get the founding member price. And I'm zeroing in on 100 members. I have both urgency and scarcity as part of the promotion. In doing this challenge, I've doubled the members in my marketing community this year. It works. It's a great promotion, and I've had people then join later on at the full price too because they missed the window and they saw the value. Friend, create urgency and scarcity in your promotions and it will serve you well. If you want to check out the challenge, head on over to createstoriesthatsell.com. I'm putting it on. It starts next week, and you can jump in and see exactly how I implement this promotion as I run it. But also, you can learn some great information when it comes to your stories on social media. Now you may be like, Steph, great, I know what I'm doing wrong. 1, too many sales. 2, I have a culture already dependent on sales. 3, I'm too accommodating in my sales. But now what? How do I do them well? What do I put up on social media that will be successful? And for that, I want you to head on over to stephanieparisi.com, where I have something free for you that will help you figure out how to best promote your sales and your promotions online so they actually get engagement and get out there to the world. Because you can have the best sale ever, but if no one knows about it, well, then you're out of luck. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, share it with your team, hit subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that bell so you'll get notified next week when another new video is released.
Are you looking to grow your influence and your profits online? Then grab your spot in the Parisi Pack, my private coaching community. You can find the Parisi Pack on Facebook.